Hi, welcome to Creative Lizard. Today, I will discuss how a simple list can be implemented in Flutter App. You can check my Flutter intro video. Link in the description below. If you want to know more about Flutter App development, or want tutorial series, feel free to ask in the comment box below. So let's start with opening VS Code and run flutter create. Command in terminal to create a blank Flutter project. In the lib folder, your project Dart code goes. You need to modify or add Dart code in this folder to develop your project. File main.dart containing the main function will run first. To run the Flutter app, there should be at least one widget has to have there. Here I will create one stateless widget. If you want to know more about widget, ask us by commenting down below. The stateless widget has one override build method and it should return a widget. We will return material app widget to it. We will define our main page widget and home property in this material app widget. To show list, Flutter has a ListView widget. In its children property, you can add widgets as a child. Like this. By adding a text widget. Or complex custom widget you may design based on your project needs. A good thing about Flutter, there are so many ready-made widgets available to make your life a little easier. I am using a list tile widget. Here set title, subtitle, etc. That's it. Like this. You can achieve a result like this. Isn't it amazing? And then add a bunch of them. Voila. Now.
Wait a minute!
For real situations, we will have a list data source. Don't worry, I am going to implement next. Define your list of data like this, and pretend it coming from your background through API. Want to know how you call data through API? Please ask below in the comment box.
Who cares?
I know. No one will comment. Anyway, back to the tutorial. So in children property, you should pass list of widgets. And this is how you can do it. There's a better way to do that.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Well, don't worry, I will discuss it in the next episode. Now define your cell widget. I am using list tile here. Pass title widget value like this. And we want a name parameter on this, and description for subtitle. Now run this. Wrap your list tile with a card to look nice. Now, we want, when you tap it, it shows an alert. So go to the Flutter official website and find how you show an alert. Copy and paste. This is our secret technique, guys. Now pass the function to onTap method. And pass the context. Like this. And run. Now tap one item.
NANI?!
You can download the project sample from GitHub. Link in the description below. If you like my video, please press like button. For a video like this, you can subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.